Pitek, ikaw si Boy Padjak. Okay?
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 Hindi mo na ako ngayon.
Ano naman?
Basta walang may alam nun. Si ano lang. Si Lizelle lang may alam nun.
Hindi mo ako sinasabihan.
Malalaman mo rin yun.
Sabi nga, ayaw kong malaman mo kasi kwento ninyo sa buhay.
Think so. Dito na sa house na to eh. Hello. Basta, secret.
Ironic, huh? Daming boys may gusto sa'yo. How does it feel to be the hot chick?
Wala. Sama. Kasi nga ang lungkot
It's
eh.
funny, Mr. C.
Why?
Hunk sa TV, hunk. Parang, wow. No, but ever since the beginning, it's always
Oo,
opposite.
nag-improve ko yung voice ko. Sabi ni Mr. C, tumataas daw. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy. Hey, boss.
Someone there?
Sabi ni Sir C, Mr. C. Improve yung voice ko.
We're all improving.
Yeah, actually. Nakita ba yung voice ko super baba before?
There's nominal changes. Talaga? Kung may gusto ka,
Ha? Kaya yun lang. Pero di mo malalaman kung sino. Kasi walang makakalam. Sulisan lang talaga. Pero ayaw ko pagsabi.
weird. So, but what don't you like about Inyapi? Or let's say now, we know we're in Inyapi. What don't you like about it? Too tall?
Pero yung fact na, Jesus ko yan. Kahit na. Ganun ako eh. So, nandito ka sa loob.
So if you wala si Bella,
Hindi yun eh. First of all, he's too young. Kasi ang goal ko ngayon, mature na guy. Tapos, super quiet.
see, I love being single.
Super quiet.
Isn't it cool?
What?
Yeah. You could have experienced that.
Ano?
Being single.
Yeah, I feel single na.
You had an opportunity to be single.
Oo nga, alam ko, paglabas ko ganun din.
I don't think so.
Kasi
I don't think
ito
it's
yan,
gonna be that easy. I don't think it's gonna be that easy.
Ganito yan. Fine, ito. Few days before ako pumasok, I broke up with him.
No, you did not.
I did.
No, you tried.
I did! Tapos after how many... Ayaw, tapos nakapagbalikan siya. He can't live with him. Parang ako... I just gave him a chance kasi to make him realize na kasi papasok ko, di ba? Hindi niyo makakasama ng mga ibang girlfriend at alam ko din niyo. So he can forget about it.
But you guys are still together. Was he there?
What?
Was he there when you performed?
He's not watching obviously I am.
Huh?
For sure, alam ko na eh. Tama lagi feeling ko eh. Never nagkamali.
Never ka nagkamali?
Feeling ko.
Talaga.
Yeah.
How do you know?
I just know eh.
What if he's in the back? He just doesn't want you to see him.
Hindi wala.
Huh?
Knowing him, pag super into siya sa isang thing or person, he doesn't want to see him. He doesn't want to see that person anymore.
Who, you?
No. Yung boyfriend.
He doesn't want to see you anymore?
He's like that. Pag nag-aaway kami, lagi niya ako iiwan, alis siya, wala na. Ayaw niya mag-usap.
For 2 years, it was like that?
Yeah. He doesn't want to talk.
But you can't throw it away. You can't throw away 2 years of a relationship.
Wala naman kasi sa years yan eh, nasa pagsasama yan. Okay?
Yeah, but you guys look fine that one day.
And, wala.
Right?
Kailan ka nagka-last girlfriend? Sige.
No, I dated more.
Girlfriend.